How you doing, folks? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out an absolute gorgeous 66 Pontiac GTO. Had a complete frame off restoration build, super straight, show quality, factory Burgundy Metallic paint, base clear. Car's super nice. So all the original grills, they're in excellent condition. Bumpers have all been re-chromed. Looks like the headlight bezels have also been redone. You can see this car super straight, flat down the sides. Absolute gorgeous color on the car. It's got a set of custom 15-inch rally ones. All the glass and the stainless on this car is excellent. Rear bumpers all been re-chromed. New quarter moldings. And you can see how flat, straight it is down the sides. Just a super nice car. And under the hood we got a custom built 455. It's got the 67, 670 heads that have all been reworked. It's a hydraulic roller cam setup from Butler Performance. Thing makes close to 500 horse. It's got power steering, your power disc brakes, aluminum radiator. Got 400 turbo trans, posi rear. It's got Doug's ceramic coated headers with full stainless exhaust out the back. All the interior is very nice. Got tilt wheel. See, the headliner is tight. Very nice. They did front and rear seat belts in it. So all the jams, everything. I mean, this is show quality paint on this car. All inside the trunk's real nice. Factory jack spare. It's just a super cool car. They did a retro sound, AM/FM stereo with the iPod capability. It's got custom kick panel speakers and speakers in the rear deck as well. Got posi rear and everything, rear sway bar. The thing sounds really good. It's got Magnaflow full stainless exhaust. Backup lights and everything work. Just a super cool car, guys. It's a real sleeper too. This thing makes a lot of power. Thing drives out excellent. You can check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com. You can visit us at 8180 South State Road in Goodrich, Michigan. Have a great day, folks.